What is up, you guys? It's Alex here. If you live in Europe like I do and you see all those US credit cards that offer incredible sign-up bonuses, airline miles, and especially cashback, you might be thinking, why don't we have that too? Why don't we have credit cards that offer incredible cashback up to 3% of the purchase that you make? Who would love to have 1 to 3% cashback on everything they buy? Wouldn't you love to have a 1 to 3% discount on anything that you buy? Well, let me break down for you why European banks and credit card options don't offer the rewards that are offered in the United States, and why European banks especially don't offer the cashback that the US banks offer when you sign up for a credit card. There's no doubt that compared to the US credit cards, the European credit cards suck on rewards. Many United States credit cards offer sign-up bonuses, cashback, and airline miles. On the other side, the European banks either only offer cashback or airline miles, and I've yet to see companies that offer a really nice incentive as a sign-up bonus. In this video, I'm going to focus particularly on the cashback part of the credit card's reward system, and then on later videos I might touch on the other ones too. Okay, so the main reason why European credit cards don't have a very attractive cashback system is because of the interchange fee structure. The interchange fee is a fee charged by the companies for the use of their cards, either credit or debit, or a fee to process the card transaction between the banks or between the merchant and the banks. There are multiple definitions and application of this interchange fee, and it can be applied either between banks or between a merchant and a bank, or between the credit card issuing company and the banks and the merchant, and you get the idea. But here's the catch. This interchange fee regulation kept the interchange fee in Europe at 0.3% for the credit card transactions and to 0.2% for debit card transactions. Those are very, very low fees, and in the United States, the average interchange fee for a credit card transaction is 2%, and for a debit card transaction is about 0.3%. So you see the discrepancies of the fees that can be charged when using a credit card in the US as opposed to Europe. So basically, when the US companies offer a 1 to 2% cashback on their credit cards, they are just reimbursing some part of the fee to the credit card holder or the credit card user. This interchange fee is just one of the revenue streams that banks or credit card companies benefit from. This is a way for them to generate money and to generate streams of income. As you can see, in the US, there is room to play with this interchange fee, and the companies can give a part of the fee back to customers to incentivize them to sign up for multiple credit cards, or to incentivize more people to use the credit cards, because in the end it's gonna grow the revenue that they receive. And on top of that, because they are able to spread the credit cards to many more people, they might actually generate more income because there are other costs associated with the credit card, and some people might actually forget to make a payment, and in that way create more revenue and more income for the banks and credit card companies. Now, at least you know why the European credit cards don't offer such attractive cashback. Yeah, they might offer a 0.1% cashback, which is still a lot on a debit card, considering the fact that the interchange fee for a debit card is 0.2%. They basically offer you a 50% back on that fee. Because you are already protected by the interchange fee regulation, there is not a lot of room for the European banks and European credit card companies to play with this. At the same time, the United States, the interchange fees vary based on what transaction are you making, based on the credit card that you are using, and based on a lot of other factors. And that interchange fee can be lower in certain situations or higher in other situations. One other thing to keep in mind is that US debit cards have an average of a 0.3% interchange fee. I'll touch in future videos about other benefits of having a credit card, like having a sign-up bonus, having bonus miles, being able to collect miles, and having various types of insurance like travel insurance or purchasing insurance. Also, I just want to mention that it makes sense to use the credit cards in the United States that have cashback because you get that interchange fee back. And depending on how the fee is structured in the United States, that fee can be actually factored in the cost of goods. So whenever you buy something, you basically get that fee back that's included in the price of the item that you buy. So of course you get something back for using that credit card and for having that cashback system. But compared to the European Union, where that interchange fee is so low that it doesn't even make sense for the companies to have a cashback system, because in the US the fee is higher, then it makes sense for them to implement that system when using a credit card, just because the interchange fee on a credit card is so much higher. I hope that now it makes sense why in the European Union there are not many options of cashback credit cards, and when there are, the cashback system is not that appealing. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and was helpful for you. Make sure to destroy the like button to help with the YouTube lords to bless this video with more views and to spread it to more people. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and ring the notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I post a video. You've been awesome, I've been Alex, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Peace!